Okay, so in 29, in section 11.7, we have to find the probability of rolling two die. I didn't write that down the first time. And when you roll the two die, you add the numbers up, and you get a sum that's odd and no more than 7. So if we think about the different ways we can roll two die, we have 1 through 6, and then 1 through 6. So we got to make sure our sum is odd. So how many ways can we do that? And also less than 7. Well, you could do a 1 and a 2. That would be a 3. A 1 and a 4. That would be a 5. A 1 and a 7. A 7 is no more than 7. So that would be okay. So pretty much, since the lowest number on a die is 1, we're just looking for ways to get 3 5s and 7s. Like, that's the only way to get two numbers that add up to be odd and no more than 7, to get a 3 5 and 7. So we should look at different ways to do that. So like a 2 and a 1, a 2 and a 3, a 2 and a 5, a 3 and a 2 would be a 5, a 3 and a 4 would be a 7, a 4 and a 3 would be a 7, and a 4 and a 1 would be a 5, 5 and a 2 would be a 7, and a 6 and a 1 would be a 7. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I counted wrong. Alright, so there's 12 ways to do it, and when you roll two die, there's 6 ways to roll the first die and 6 ways to roll the second die. So there's 36 ways total to do that. So the probability would simplify to be about 1/3.